Assalamualaikum guys. Hai, selamat siang. So, hari ini saya mau share ke kalian tentang bahasa Aceh. So, sering kita dengar bahwa bahasa Aceh itu bahasa yang cukup sulit ya. Bahkan jika dibandingkan dengan bahasa Inggris, kata mereka bahasa Aceh lebih susah untuk dipelajari, untuk dimengerti. Tapi saya sebagai orang Aceh mengatakan bahwa itu tidak benar. Bahasa Aceh bahkan lebih simpel dan lebih mudah untuk bisa kita pelajari, untuk bisa kita pahami ya. Contoh, bahasa Aceh itu bahkan sekali lagi saya bilang bisa lebih mudah dari bahasa Inggris, bahkan lebih mudah dari bahasa-bahasa yang termudah lainnya saya rasa ya. Okay, so today what I would like to share to you is about Acehnese language. So for people say that Acehnese language is very difficult to learn. It sound weird, and then it is difficult, they said. But me, I said Acehnese language is not difficult. Even it is more simple. Okay, so today saya akan dibantu oleh anak saya, Adit, yang akan memberitahukan dalam bentuk bahasa Indonesia, dan saya akan mentranslate-nya ke dalam bahasa Aceh dan bahasa Inggris. Okay, so today I will get help from my son Adit, that he will read in bahasa Indonesia, and then I will translate in Acehnese and also into English. For example, number 1, baju. Baju in Acehnese is very simple. Even you just change the last word of baju u to be e. So to be menjadi baju, baje. Okay, so in English means clothes. Nomor 2,
tamu.
Tamu di dalam bahasa Inggris adalah guest, dan di dalam bahasa Aceh tamu jame. Lanjut, kepala bahasa Acehnya adalah ule. Pretty simple, right? In bahasa Inggris, ule atau kepala adalah head. And then kutu di dalam bahasa Inggris adalah lice, and di dalam bahasa Aceh kutu adalah gute. And then kuku means male. Male in bahasa Aceh is uke. Okay, next, what is pae? Pae, you know what is pae in Acehnese? Pae in English is gecko, and in bahasa is tokek. Okay, and then next, very simple, right? So it's not true that Acehnese language is very difficult. What is next? Pencil in Indonesia and in Acehnese is kense, and in English pencil. Next, Ismail is only one word in Acehnese. Ismail is a name of a prophet, also is a name for Muslim. Okay, Ismail means a name is still Ismail. In English, I think still Ismail, and in Acehnese is only ma. Okay, for example, where are you going, Ismail? In bahasa, kemana kamu mau pergi, Ismail? In Acehnese only ho. Very simple, right? So say that's difficult. It's not difficult. You just need to know and to learn, and then to understand and practice. Okay, next, what is it? Mahar is for bride. So mahar in Acehnese mean jename. Jename. And then what is in English? In English, dowry. Yes, dowry. And then next, what is it? Next, guru in bahasa Indonesia, in English is teacher, in Acehnese is gure. What else? Bulu in bahasa Indonesia, and then in English is feather, and in Acehnese is bule. Okay, very simple, right? So don't make something difficult to be simple. I mean, not to make the simple one to be difficult. So this is the opposite what I said. And then it is the same like the situation today about the war, about what happened in Indonesia. So we do what we can do, and the rest let Allah decide it, and we have to take it, yeah, sincerely in your heart. Okay, that's it for today, and then I will see you in the next 2 days. Thank you for watching. You should like it. If you don't like it, you should say it, and then comment, share, and then don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you guys. I would really like to see you in my comment. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.